Je m'appelle Dara et nous avons arrêté en France. So, hello, my name's Dara and we have landed in France. So, basically, it was a very long story when we got here. I would do the intro, but I'm too tired. But Lizzie Atkins is currently sleeping, resting, I think. But yeah, we've landed in France. It was a bit of a hassle from the start, like the airport, to now, like where we are. But I'm just gonna say I'm really grateful that we're here now, because taking a journey from London to France should only be like an hour on a plane, and it took us like a month to get here. So let me catch you guys up. We left on August 28th, I think. When we got there, we went with EasyJet, and there was like this air traffic control thingy, I don't really know. But we went and we couldn't get the plane, so we left to go get the train, and the train was way too expensive and too many people were getting the train anyway. So we just went home and called it a day, and we stayed at my auntie's house. Then today comes, and today is October the 18th, and we've like got to the airport. Well, we woke up late. We were supposed to leave the house, woke up at 4, leave the house at like 5, because our flight was for 8. We woke up at 5:30. So imagine how 8 people were rushing out to leave the house. Except we left in 2, so my family and Lizzie Atkins' family, I guess. We're all one big family, but we just left from different places, if you understand. But we got there, Lizzie Atkins got there before us, but we were only like a few seconds, like just behind each other. So when we got there, we were already at the gates, but then we just didn't want to stand with the crowd, so we waited. By the time we look down and we look up, everyone's gone. So we've gone through, we're waiting for Lizzie Atkins to come through. And she saw that Lizzie Atkins was holding 2 bags, so they thought that was hers, but let's just move on. Let's get to the point. Then we got to the plane, then we experienced like some mild we just experienced some yeah. So you know how you get the carts in the plane? Lizzie Atkins asked what's available, and then he was like, and then she asked what's available, and he was like, have you ever been on a plane before? That was, yeah, in a French accent as well, so you can tell like it's not like it's the French people. I'm not trying to be rude, but like, yeah. So then she was just flabbergasted to the point, she's not going to tolerate that. Like, I don't think anyone should. But that happened. I didn't know really the full story because I wasn't there. So best person to ask is Lizzie Atkins herself. But we got down. We had to take the bus. We didn't know anything about France. Just knowing like we were living off Google Maps. And anyone that has experience with Google Maps, you should know that Google Maps is not that great. So we used Google Maps. We got to the place. Thank God. Bus drivers let us on for free. That's good. We got to the airport. And going back to how they were supposed to give us our refund, we got there, we went to go ask for our refund because we need our refund. Like, it's not that we don't have the money to pay for the hotels, like, stuff. It's just that we're not going to pay extra money when we have money that should be paid for. And we were here for, like, we got here, like, let's say we got here, like, 9:55, let's just say that. And then, there's just bare arguments, bare stuff. If Lizzie Atkins could edit it and put the thing in, then you guys can see what happened. Like, we were there, like, everyone was just sleeping on the couch, like, everyone was just popping off. It was mad. Everyone was crying, everyone was hungry. Okay, it was just mad. Then I wake up and say, oh, let's go to our hotel rooms, and I was like, oh, but I thought there was no hotel rooms. And then they're just like calling Lizzie Atkins loud, aggressive, like all those stereotypical black people things. And she hasn't raised her voice up one bit. Like, yeah, just like how flabbergasting it was. But yeah, then we get to our hotel room. Everything's cool. Everything's gara. Like, yeah. I'm just trying to keep this thing short and brief, but that's like a short, like, brief summary of like what we've been through. Especially because that September. Oh, it was so hectic. Just getting here was so hectic. So that's how it took like a month. But if I put this thing in detail, oh my gosh, that would just be too much. But yeah, let me just give you a quick tour. Yeah, and then we'll get back later on when everyone's awake from resting because it's just been too much. Bye. I don't know what happened to the light, but it's broke, I think. I don't know. I've just been like, it's not working. But how do I open this thing? Hey, see trouble. Okay. Anyway, so this is our view. It's alright, I guess. It just looks like we're in boarding school. That's literally what I can say. It just finished raining. France rain is literally just like British rain. I see. This is what I don't understand. The light is working this way, but it's not working. Anyway, so France rain is just like British rain, like I was saying. And I just want to give you guys a quick room tour. So this is what the thing is. It's a bit messy when you walk in. So let me just. So this is how it looks like when you first walk in. Mind the mess. I know you just first got here. So we got these light switches. So these are the lights to the bathroom. Oh gosh. Okay, there we go. We've got this. Let me just take that off. Got this nice mirror. It's so cute. Got a nice shower. Yeah. Then this is a door to connect to another room, like if you're sharing with someone. This is the mirror with some iron stuff in it. My shoes. The table. The desk. The TV. The view, like I showed you guys. This is the bed. And then we've got like this chair that doubles as another bed. This is so cool. But yeah, it's nothing much, nothing big. But that's it for now. And this is day one, kind of, since we landed in the morning. So this is day one, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest of the journey. Sally, say hello.
Hello.
We are on our way to the restaurant to have dinner.
Walking to the bus stop.
Yeah, so
We came from this direction.
we're walking to the bus stop, and we're just following my auntie. Good for you!
That shoe. You see? That shoe that is doing echo.
So, yeah. And it's really dark, to be fair. And we're walking with a lot of children and a few cranky people. But other than that, it's not. I mean, it's all good, but I guess it's alright. But it's just like really, I'm not really like feeling this holiday yet. Like it just feels like really like weird still. But hopefully it gets better.
4 minutes.
So now we're at the bus stop.
Right, there's no time.
Say hello.
Here. Hello. Learn French before you come to France.
No, but I say hello. Say hello.
Okay, so
Hello.
we have to Friday.
Anyway, So now we're waiting at the bus stop.
I mean, that's a good idea.
And
That makes sense.
what?
The thing keeps flipping, so you might as well do it like that.
Oh yeah. So we're just waiting now, and everyone looks a bit tired.
Just is there.
It's okay.
So the match.
This is the restaurant we're eating at.
Yeah, we're here 1 minute before our reservation time. See, it's a full shot on that one.
So we're at the restaurant now.
On the 5 do we have 1, 2,
Okay guys, so
three on the
we're just eating now at the place, but we're just waiting to order. But yeah.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star.